I'll be the midwife.
My name is Salsabila Elina, as husband.
My name is Zara Evanadika Effendi as mom.
My name is Najisha Kalwa as nurse.
Okay, thank you. Let's watching.
Thank you guys.
Good morning, Mom. What's bringing you here today?
Good morning, midwife. My husband and I are planning to have a baby soon, so I want to prepare everything.
Nah, that's a wonderful dedication. Preparation is key. We'll focus on a healthy lifestyle, optimal nutrition, and the importance of folic acid.
Okay, have you discussed your pregnancy planning with your husband?
Yes, we are planning to have a baby.
Excellent, Mr. R. Your emotional and physical support is vital for a stress-free pregnancy.
Midwife, I've missed my period and my health test. Shall we do lights?
Let's double check. Yeah, it's official. Congratulations, Mom. You're pregnant.
Okay, congratulations, Mom.
This is amazing news. We are so happy.
We'll be here to guide you every step of the way. Recently, I've been feeling very dizzy and I get tired so easily.
After the examination, it looks like you have anemia. It's common, but we must manage it.
Is it dangerous? What should we do?
Tiga, the baby is healthy. We will keep the baby warm.
Okay, early breastfeeding is important for the baby's health. I want to breastfeed my baby right away.
I will show you the correct breastfeeding position and attachment.
Make sure the baby's mouth cover most of area.